3, 2, 1.
State University number 21, Dontrell Johnson.
As Dontrell Johnson, very dangerous.
Eagle flying. Johnson on the tackle. The ball pops free. Did Green Bay come up with it? Sewell take a vicious hit at the 10. They unpile, and Green Bay has recovered the football. The danger with their second. Johnson on the tackle. Defensive line, 3 wide receivers far side. James in the backfield. He gets the call and he gets hit. He fumbles the football. It's loose. It's picked up by Green Bay. The Blizzard are going to get a defensive score. Is taking it to the house will be Dontrell Johnson. As Dontrell Johnson touched in, defensive back for Green Bay. End zone bound. It's picked off. Down. End zone bound. It's picked off. Dontrell Johnson joining Jamie Bender, both with a couple of interceptions in this game on Robbie Norweg. And for Dontrell Johnson, his second pick of the season, he has a pick in back-to-back games.
Durley, little back shoulder throw, and it's taken away by Johnson. Still on the move, and he gets inside the 15-yard line. Call that an interception. Dontrell Johnson, very dangerous.